what does a lineage mean? You receive the Buddha. Buddha gave his teachings, and then his students received those teachings, and they practiced them, and they not only understood intellectually some of the teachings, but they also, experienced them. So when somebody really experiences the benefit or the experience and the realization of those teachings, then he becomes or she becomes, you can say, a lineage holder, because that person has not only academic, intellectual knowledge of the teaching, but has also the experience, the realization of the teaching. Now then, then another person or another persons receive those teachings from that person, and also they are benefited from those teachings and they have the experience. Then those people also become lineage holders. So the lineages, is very important, because if lineage, when we say there is no lineage, that means that there could be books, there could be lots of books, there could be scholars also who kind of discuss the teachings, but there is nobody who actually has experience of these teachings. So therefore, as long as there is the teachings, the books, the understanding, the intellectual and scriptural, transmissions, as well as people who actually practice them and actually get experience and themselves liberated or attain a certain level of realization, then there is a lineage. So therefore, if there is a lineage holder, that means somebody who has that experience, and so therefore, it is very valuable if we can receive the teachings from not only somebody who knows how to explain the words, but also has a certain level of experience. And so therefore, if we have those kind of teachers, that's why also the teachers or the gurus become important, because they could be lineage holders. And if there is a true lineage holder, true practitioner of Dharma, true somebody who really experienced that, then it's good. It's very. Then it is, we might also be able to get some, not necessarily the very highly realized, but some experience and understanding, and then some. The higher the realization, the greater the lineage holder. So therefore, the lineage becomes important, because as long as there is lineage, there is that Dharma, that teaching is alive. If there is nobody who has that experience, then that teaching is no longer alive. Even if you have lots of books, even if we have lots of degree holders on that teachings, intellectual understanding, but no. So that's why lineage becomes important.